Now we will study different methods of asexual reproduction. Different methods of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. The first method is fission. We have to memorize only the examples. The second method is regeneration. The third method is budding. This is 1, 2, 3. Fourth one is fragmentation. Fragmentation. Fifth one is spore formation. Spore formation. Sixth one is vegetative reproduction, and it is only for plant. So there are 6 methods of asexual reproduction. First one is fission, regeneration, budding, fragmentation, spore formation, vegetative reproduction. And this fission is again divided into 2 parts: binary fission, and multiple fission. Binary fission and multiple fission. Okay, lifespan of crow is 15 years. Lifespan of crow is 15 years. There are so many, like crocodile is 60 years. Crocodile is 60 years. Butterfly 1 to 2 week. Butterfly 1 to 2 week. Okay. So we will discuss one after another. I am erasing this part. First, fission. What is fission? Fission is the splitting of the mother body to produce new offspring. Fission is the splitting of the mother body to produce new offspring. Now you can say, what is the difference between fission and fragmentation? Fragmentation is also the splitting of the mother body. In case of fragmentation, the division occurs in any random plane. But in case of fission, it occurs in equal plane. That means the mother body will split up into 2 equal halves. This is a basic difference between fission and fragmentation. In case of fission, the 2 daughter body will be in equal, and in case of fragmentation, it is divided into any random plane. Now, fission is the simplest type of asexual reproduction which is found in unicellular organism like amoeba. As we know, it is the simplest type of organism So generally we studied fission in amoeba. Other than amoeba, in paramecium, these are important for NEET. Only the examples. Which type of asexual reproduction found in this? Or you have to give a number of organism. This you have to make right choice. Okay. Amoeba, paramecium and euglena. These three are the unicellular protozoan who performs fission. Now, so what is fission? It is the splitting of the mother body to produce new offspring. Now, fission are of two types, binary fission and multiple fission, right?
Yes.
So, in case of binary fission, what happens here? I am erasing this part. In case of binary fission, what happens here? Suppose is my mother body, that is amoeba. This is the nucleus. The division of nucleus is called, we know, cell cycle or cell division. Okay. Mitosis is in case of mitosis, first the nucleus divides into two halves and then the cytoplasm divides, right? So the division of nucleus is called karyokinesis, because nucleus is called karyon. The Greek word of nucleus is karyon. So the division of nucleus is called karyokinesis. Karyokinesis. And then after karyokinesis, division of cytoplasm, that is cytokinesis. So during cell division, if at first karyokinesis takes place, then cytokinesis. Here the same thing will happen. This is the mother body, mother amoeba. At first, the nucleus will be elongated and divides into two parts. This is the simplest type of asexual reproduction in case of binary fission. At first, the nucleus divides into two halves, that is karyokinesis. Then the cytoplasm divides and finally produces two daughter cells, that is two daughter amoeba. In case of binary fission, examples are amoeba, paramecium and euglena. What happens in case of paramecium? Paramecium looks like this. So same thing will happen here. First the nucleus will divide. First the nucleus will divide into two halves. And then it will form two daughter paramecium, same as like amoeba, same for euglena also. Okay. Next, multiple fission. The second type of fission is multiple fission. Multiple fission is found in Plasmodium vivax. What is this? It's a parasite or it's a vertebrate or invertebrate? Plasmodium vivax.
It's a virus.
No, it's not a virus. It's a parasite. Actually, it's a malarial parasite responsible for malaria. So, in case of Plasmodium vivax, the method of reproduction is multiple fission, and the second one is encysted amoeba. Encysted amoeba. What happens in case of multiple fission? Okay. Suppose it's the body of Plasmodium. This is a nucleus. It's like amoeba. Oh my god. Shit. Plasmodium. At first, nucleus divides into more than 2 fragments. In case of binary fission, we know binary means 2. In case of multiple fission, nucleus divides into more than 2 fragments, and it's like 7, 8 like this. What happens here? This is the body of Plasmodium. The nucleus divides into this multiple fragment like this. Then when it gets the favorable condition, nature, and forms a new organism. That means in case of multiple fission, at a time more than 2 nucleus are formed. Then when it comes to the favorable condition, the mother body bursts out and it releases the daughter offspring or daughter plasmodiums. In case of Plasmodium, that is multiple fission. And what happens in case of encysted amoeba? Encysted amoeba actually lives in the high saline water. High saline water, that means salt concentration is very high. So if the normal amoeba lives in this high saline water, it will burst out due to deplasmolysis. Water will enter within the body and it will burst out. So what happens in case of this encysted amoeba? Amoeba is covered by a tough coat which is called cyst. That's why it is called encysted amoeba. The amoeba is covered by a tough coat that is called cyst. And this is a nucleus as well as. What happened here? This is the cyst. This is the body of amoeba. Where is the black pen? The nucleus divides into more than 2 fragments and when it will get favorable condition, it will burst out. When it will get favorable condition, it will burst out and releases the daughter amoebas. So the significance of cyst is that it protects the amoeba in high saline water. So this is very simple. Binary fission and multiple fission. In case of binary fission, the nucleus divides into 2 halves, and in case of multiple fission, the nucleus divides into more than 2 halves. Clear? Okay. I am dictating. Types of asexual reproduction. First one is binary fission. Fission, binary and multiple. Next is regeneration. Third one is budding. Fourth one is fragmentation. Fifth one is spore formation. Sixth one is vegetative propagation. That's it.